Are you in need of a reliable and professional plumber who will be available quickly? Whether you've got a leak or in need of new plumbing, we're here to help. We offer emergency plumbing services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Don't be overwhelmed, help is here. You can learn more about our special discount right on this page.
Are you looking to purchase a new home? Or perhaps you're looking to sell? Navigating the real estate market can be quite overwhelming. Don't trust the job of selling your home to just anyone. We're proud to be the best real estate agency around, and we're committed to having you be satisfied with our services. Simply click the link to the right of this video to learn more today.
Hello, and thank you for taking the time to view this message. Did you know that it is actually possible to have your own online store without owning an actual brick and mortar space? Be sure to pay careful attention to this entire message. Through the magic of Shopify, you don't even need to carry your own inventory or fulfill orders. Now think about that for a minute. Being able to sell inventory without having to stock or fulfill it yourself. This is all possible now and easy to set up. Simply enter your information to receive your free report.
Hello and thank you for taking the time to view this message. I am so glad you are here. You'll want to stick around as I promise it will be worth your time. You'll want to make sure you pay careful attention. Did you know that it is actually possible to make a full-time income online through selling other people's products? I'm not talking about making a small commission here, but more like 30, 50, sometimes even as much as 75% commissions when you make a sale. And of course, you could do it all without even leaving your home through this amazing new opportunity provided by affiliate marketing. Now think about that for a minute, being able to sell things without having to stock or fulfill it yourself. Just bring in a sale and collect your commission. Simply click the link on this page to learn more.
Are you currently experiencing back pain? Having trouble finding relief? Perhaps back pain is something new in your life and you just don't know what to do. Don't trust the care of your back to just anyone. We are here to help. When it comes to finding a chiropractor, you deserve someone who can help you with your current medical situation. You deserve a chiropractor that is up to date on all the latest techniques. We will work with you to find the best options for you based on your budget. You can learn more about our services right on this page.